Hi everyone, I am going to show you the easiest way I've found to make candles without making any mess and with no fuss and also no heat. And also they're environmentally friendly. What I did is I bought some of these beeswax sheets. I got a pack off Amazon that I have been making some beeswax candles with. And it comes like this. And then obviously I've cut it up into smaller pieces. The first one I made looks like this. And I'm going to show you how I did it. So if the wax is a bit cold, just give it a sec. I'll just put it between my hands a minute. Because it warms up dead quick. And if you try and roll it when it's cold, and it's been quite cold in my room overnight, it just cracks. So you just need to make sure it's a bit warm first. It's easy to fix anyway. And then the set I bought came with some pre-made wicks. And all you do is you start at one end, fold it over, like so. Make sure the wick is in there nice and secure. And then keep rolling. It'll feel a bit sticky to your hands, but I found it doesn't seem to leave like a residue or anything. And you just roll. And obviously I've cut the wax there a bit wonky. Let me just chop off the weird bit. So you can cut it with scissors as well, which is nice. And you just roll, and then the end will stick up like that, and all you do is just press it with your thumb, and it'll warm up the end of it enough to make it stick there and be secure. Dead easy, no heat, no mess, no fuss. And then just trim the wick off. And there you go, you've got a candle. Obviously you can make them in bigger sizes. I'm just going to trim off a bit more of the wick at the bottom of that one. I tend to make them so they're like a standard width, so they'll fit in a candle holder. And they look like this. And I'll show you, they burn really nice too. And what I like about these, I've got the most useless lighter in the world. And what I like about these is you would think that, oh, it's going to like burn and all you're going to smell in your house is honey, which personally is a smell I don't like. But they don't. They don't smell of anything at all, and they burn lovely. What tends to happen is you get like a little wax pool at the top, and then as it burns down, it sort of melts the sections in the little hexagon shapes. So it'll look a bit sort of spiky as it's melting down. But yeah, that's it. Dead easy, dead quick. No fuss. Easiest way to make environmentally friendly candles. Obviously these ones are scent free. You can leave these burning for ages. I tested one and we burnt quite a big section of it for about, like a section about that big, I think it was. It was a bigger one like this for about half an hour. And I walked out the room, walked back in the room, couldn't smell it. It was brilliant. Because sometimes if my asthma's playing up or something, I can't have any scents or anything because my lungs won't tolerate it and it just triggers asthma attacks. Whereas if I burn a candle with no scent, like this one, it's perfect. I can still enjoy the light of the candle and I don't have to worry about whether it'll annoy my lungs. That's obviously for me personally. Obviously everyone's different. But yeah, these are scent-free, environmentally friendly. So if for any reason this ended up outside, it would biodegrade, which is one of the reasons I like it. That's why I've started making my soy candles as well, because again, environmentally friendly. So yeah, as you can see, as it's hold on. As you can see, as it starts to burn down, you can just see it goes a bit sort of spiky and then carries on burning down. So that's it. Dead easy way to make beeswax candles. Nice and quick, and good for the environment. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.